Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the Microsoft Office Word, wherein we are going to discuss the references tab. In the last video we had discussed how to use the layout tab. So let's start with the table of contents part of this Word. So when I had discussed the home tab, I had recommended the use of the different functions in the styles. So let's recall. For example, I'm going to select this text document in which I had selected this part, and in this I'm going to apply the header 1 style. Okay, next in the next sentence I'm going to apply the header 2 style, and in third I'm going to apply the header 3 style. So again header 1, next header 2, next header 3. Okay. Similarly for unit 3 also, head 1, head 2 and level 3 of the heading. Okay, so this, as you can see in the screen itself, you can see the 3 levels of the heading which are given here. Now when we use this type of styling, you can create the table of contents. Okay, you can create a table of contents. So I'm just going to click on table of contents and select this second one. So let us apply. As you can see, the in the table of contents where unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3 is given here. As I had applied the heading 1 style in this. Now for example, if I want to format it, you can go for custom table of contents. Okay, custom table of contents, and from template I'm just going to select show 2 levels and replace the contents, and I can update the entire table also. So let us go for custom table. Okay, and in the options I'm going to select these options where I'm going to add this 2. Okay, so by this, using this order, I can modify the table also. Now you can see the second heading option is being activated. Now for example, I would like to change the formatting, and in the formatting I would like to start each and new unit each and no unit in a new page. So I am doing this. Now I want to update my table of contents. Just click on it, update table, update entire table. Okay, as you can see, even the page numbers has been updated during the process. Page numbers have been updated during the process. So now let's move towards the next use of the footnote function. Footnote function. Okay, so let us first format accordingly. So we can add footnote. Okay, for example, let's add a footnote for the word internet. Select this, add footnote. I'm just going to write internet. I'm going to add a second footnote for the word browser. I'm just going to I'm just going to add the word browser here. Okay, I'm just going to add the browser. There is a spelling mistake. So this is how this footnote function works. You can also use show notes option. Okay, you can insert, either go for next footnote. Okay, right now I have added the footnote options. So how it actually works, let us save as. Okay, and convert it into a PDF file. Save. Now you can see in this PDF file, as I have added the footnote here, in the at the bottom of the page you can see the footnotes. For example, how this works. For example, if you want to define internet, okay, and you want to add the definition for that, you can write here. If you want to add the definition for the browser, you can add here. This is how the footnote works. I'm going to remove the footnote now. Okay. Okay, now next option is the use of citation and bibliography. I'm not going to discuss this because currently there are various other softwares, such as in my PC I have this EndNote software. I have EndNote software. So I'm using this personally. You can use Zotero, you can use Mendeley, whichever software you feel it is easy to use for you. Okay, so continuing with the next, insert insert the caption option. Insert the caption option. So let us first insert a uh, diagram or something like that. Okay, pictures. Okay. So, okay, let's add some of the shapes. Okay, so for example, this is my diagram, or you can say the image. Now, as it's an diagram, I would like to add the figure option. Figure option, just select the insert caption and insert the caption. So I'm going to change right now the formatting options. Okay, formatting options. Figure 1. Okay, figure 2. Okay, this is how it actually works. And you can write the content, whatever you want to add. Now, in the next page, let us add something. Let's say another shape, or you can say image, which you would like to add. Okay, and I want to add something in detail, and I'm going to just add the insert caption figure 2. Okay, insert caption figure 2. I don't know, I think there is some problem here. Okay, insert caption figure 2, just going to add this. Okay, next, in the next page I have added figure 3 also here. Okay, this is how it works. Now similarly, I'm going to add below this, the instead of figure I'm going to add table. I'm going to change the numbering system here, table 1. Okay, next, in this case table 2. It will automatically add the numbers on its own. You need not to add the numbering by your own. Next, there is a third option again in this. Select the equation numbering and just click on OK, equation 1. Okay, next, equation 1 here also. And below this, let's add again add a equation. As you can see, I had inserted the equation, okay, in a reverse manner. Then also it had used the automated numbering system starting from 1, 2 and 3. So now what can you do if you use something this type of options? So it will help, okay, it will help you in creating the table of figures. Just I'm going to select figure and click on OK. So page number will be automatically added during the process. I'm going to insert, let's say, equation. Okay, I think there is a mistake on my side. Insert table of figure, select here equation. Okay, again below I'm going to add the table. Okay, this is how it works. As you can see, the page numbers, okay, page numbers have been added automatically. So this is how this function works. Now towards the next function, which is the index. You may have read variety of, I think, the reference books. Okay, you may have read the variety of reference books in which you might have come across the index in at the last of the book. At the last of the book. So let us use this function and let us check how this function actually works. So I'm going to add first the index entry. So just going to select the word internet, mark it as entry, okay, and just click on mark and close. Okay, next I'm going to add applications, mark as entry, okay, and mark and close. Now I'm going to use select the use mark entry. Now I'm going to select this page range also. I can select the cross reference also, okay, and if you want to select the page number format, bold and italic, let us use this function also. So now what happens if I use this function? Okay, what happens if I use this function? Now let us check at the last. Okay, at the last. Okay, just going to add the insert index. Okay, just I'm not going to change any of the template right now. Just click on OK. As you can see here, I have already added the page number. Okay, if they are present in multiple pages, you can also check it. Okay, you can also check it. Now let us edit some one of the option which I had selected was use. Okay, which I had selected was use, and delete the old entry. Again select the use, mark as mark the entry, just select the current page and mark all, okay, and close. Okay, now as I move towards the downward, now I'm going to update the index. Now you can see in this case, as you can see in the screen itself, word use is present on page number 1, page number 2, and page number 3. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how the index function basically works. Okay, that's all for the reference tab. There is another one, mark a citation. If you want to mark the citation, you can also mark the citation, but I'm not going to use this right now. Okay, thank you.